Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. My name is Ali. Today I'm going to be sharing with you guys my recipe on Agua de Sandia. This recipe is super easy and we're going to get started right away. You guys are going to need sandia or watermelon. I already cut mine up in pretty good chunks. We're going to need sugar and we're going to need a water pitcher. And in this blender I have 3 cups of water. I'm going to add 15 pieces to my blender. You guys could always add more, but I'm only adding 15. 3, 7, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, and 15. Okay, so we're gonna blend it. Oops, there. And we're gonna add this to our water. For the sugar, this is pretty much optional on the amount that you guys want to use. I'm going to put some first and then I'm going to taste it to see if it's ready. Move this out of the way so you guys can see. Uh-oh. Okay, well that made a mess. So next time, if you guys make it at home, try to make maybe less. That was a big accident, but it's okay, I'll clean it up. Okay, our water's ready. I'm gonna serve myself a cup. Today is Sunday, and I wanted to take a second to wish all the mothers in the world a very, very happy Mother's Day. Especially to mine. I'm not going to be able to see her today because of social distancing, but Mom, feliz Día de las Madres, te quiero mucho. Ojalá te vea muy pronto. And for all of you guys, I hope you guys can make this at home today and have a nice day. I'm going to enjoy my glass of agua de sandia. Provecho!